everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Hope you're all doing well. Happy Wednesday night. I am here to do a shout out for a fabulous channel, Rach and Bella Crafts. Before that, do you notice anything different with my nails tonight? Yes, you got it. They are presentable tonight and I love the color. It's green for St. Patrick's Day coming up on March 17. I was not even thinking about St. Patrick's Day when I picked the color, and I realized it when everything is done. Anyways, I am here to show you what Rachel of Rach and Bella Crafts gifted me just recently. This is a fabulous, really beautiful kit, and I love this. So this is called Perseverance, and so I am starting with this page. And it has this scripture from Ephesians 6:10. And it is beautiful. Friends, look at these pages. This digital kit is just super awesome. I really love this. And look at this lady. So pretty. And the color that she used is just outstanding. It's very calming. Beautiful. And this paper or this page, it has this beautiful collage and the images are just gorgeous. It's perfect. I love it. So I hope that you can check this kit. It is called Perseverance. This is another really, really gorgeous page. And I believe this letter is from her family. But I will link her video in my description because she has a story on how she came out with this kit. Beautiful pages, gorgeous. She is just so talented. Rachel, you did an awesome job. I really love this kit and I am so looking forward to finishing my journal using only this Perseverance kit. And this is another Bible scripture from Proverbs 3:5-6. She is really pretty. And then she has tags also. Different sizes of tags and coupons or tickets. I love that. And look at all these tags. So one kit, you will have all these pages. And the whole thing is enough to make a beautiful journal. Plus, she has all these scriptures. And you know, friends, how I always love to include scriptures and motivational quotes in my journals. But now she has all this, so it's perfect. And all these sentiments too. So I don't need to actually get anything from a paper pad because everything is here, even the envelopes. Look at this. Beautiful. I love the shape of this envelope too. Outstanding job, Rachel. This is another envelope. Just perfect. Colors, the shapes and sizes, the sentiments, the tags, they are all perfect. And so when I saw this kit, she launched it in her YouTube channel and she had a giveaway in her Facebook page where I am also a member. And I'm actually more involved in that Facebook page or Facebook group. I can't talk, I'm sorry. I'm just so overwhelmed with this beautiful kit. I messaged her how beautiful her kit is, and you know, I really wanted to buy this, but she sent me a message and then the link to all these files. So everything she gave me for free, and I am just super, super grateful. I'm really blessed because if she didn't really give me this kit for free, I would really buy this because this is something that I really like to use for journals. And you've seen my journals. They always have scriptures and motivational quotes, and everything is here. The sentiments, everything. So I will link Rachel's Etsy shop also in my description, and of course her channel, Rach and Bella Crafts. And I hope that you can go over to her shop and check her channel also. And if you are not subscribed to her channel, please go ahead and support her and subscribe to her channel, because she is a fabulous and talented crafter, really generous and very, very sweet. So this is her channel, Rach and Bella Crafts. And she makes awesome, really beautiful journals. She sells them too. I believe, and I am really pretty sure that her channel will grow really big because she is very talented. So go ahead, if you're not subscribed to her channel, please support her and share her channel with your friends too. She has many different digital kits in her shops and the journals. You know, I also sell my journals and I also have digital kits, but there's always plenty for everyone. So go ahead and support her channel and her shop. And her Facebook page is the Junk Journal Trading Post, which I am also a member of, and I am actually more active in that group. So check us out. And if you're looking to be a member of a Junk Journal Facebook group, you may check again Junk Journal Trading Post. And so this is again Perseverance from Rach and Bella Crafts, and the Etsy store again will be linked in my description. I printed 3 copies of this kit, one for myself and one for my daughter. I'm going to make a journal for my daughter who is in Toronto, and I may sell one of the journals. So there you have it, everyone. This is my shout out for Rach and Bella Crafts and her Etsy shop. And this is the Perseverance Digital Kit. Thank you everyone for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing. Take care. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.